Tips to help you invest in the stock market. Some people think it is easy to invest in companies and receive a mountain of riches, but this is not the case. Investing takes careful planning, strategy, and knowledge. The following video will provide you with enough knowledge to form a proper investment strategy that will result in gains with minimum profit loss. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. One of the finest things you can do to stay ahead of the curve is talk with a stock expert. Stockbrokers or friends who succeed with stocks are good people to speak with, as they often know which companies are the best to invest in. Learn from the experts to become one yourself. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. It is generally better to invest in a limited number of positions that you are confident in, rather than to invest in many different companies. For example, if you like the way telecom companies have been performing, and if there are 4 companies that appeal to you, take the time to determine which stock is the best and most cost-effective. Rather than invest in all 4 companies, you should invest only in the company that you believe is the best. As stated before, people sometimes think that they can simply invest in companies and expect money to fall from the sky. However, this is not true, as many people soon figure out the hard way. Proper knowledge, such as the knowledge from this video, are needed to form an investment strategy. All you have to do is apply it. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes. You can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.